Hi everyone, my name is Nuralya Maisarah Binti Suhaimi.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NurKareemah Binti Muhammad Razali.
Hello, my name is Athilah Syahin Binti Muhammad Mizi Magendran.
Hello, my name is Nurul Azaumairah Binti Zulkafli.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Anisha Najwa Binti Ani.
Our topic for mock training is how to make sandwich.
I will introduce the ingredient for first sandwich, which is classic sandwich. Okay, the first ingredient is bread, the most needed ingredient. We will use 2 slices of bread, and then sardine. We will use sardine for our classic sandwich, and the last one is cucumber. Here is slices of cucumber.
Hello, I'm going to introduce to you the ingredient for making the modern sandwich. First, bread, tuna, mayonnaise, egg that I already smashed it, and salad.
Okay, so let me explain what ingredient that we need to use to prepare our western sandwich. So this is the ingredient that we need to prepare our western sandwich. So first of all, the main ingredient is bread. You can use the wholemeal bread or the original one. Second is mayonnaise. Third is chicken slice or you can use beef slice. Fourth is salad or you can use any veggies such as tomatoes and cucumber. And the last one is cheese slice.
Alright, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to E&A Company Food Industry. Okay, today you will be trained on how to make 3 types of sandwich, which is classic sandwich, modern sandwich, and western sandwich. Okay, before that, let me introduce the 2 trainers that we will teach you, which is my name is NurKareemah Binti Muhammad Razali.
And my name is Nurul Azaumairah Binti Zulkafli.
Okay, then the 3 of training, can you explain or introduce about yourself a little bit?
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Anisha Binti Ani. I'm here as a trainee for today class.
So next me, I'm Nuralya Maisarah Binti Suhaimi, and I'm also a trainee.
And I am Athilah Syahin Binti Muhammad Mizi, and I am also a trainee for today's program.
Alright, then let's get started with our first menu, which is classic sandwich. Okay, first of all, let me introduce to you the ingredients that we need to make a classic sandwich. Okay, first, we need a bread. Okay, do you have a bread?
Of course.
Yes.
Alright, for this type of sandwich, we will use 2 slices of bread and then a sardine.
Okay.
Then we will use slices of cucumber.
This is cucumber.
Okay, then let's get started. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is we need to cut the side of the bread.
Is it okay if I don't want to cut this? Because I love to eat this.
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, done. Okay, let's wait for Azza.
Okay, done.
Alright. Okay, for the next step, we will put a sardine on top of a bread. Okay, take a sardine and spoon it and put it on a bread. You can put it as much as you can or what you want.
Can I ask a question?
Yes?
What did you put on your sardine?
Oh, I didn't put anything special, but when I cook, I put a little bit of onion and some chilies to
alright.
make it spicy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, your bread will look like this.
Okay.
Alright, good job everyone. Okay, then we will take 2 to 3 slices of cucumber and put it on a sardine that you put it on a bread.
Excuse me, can I also put the tomato?
Yes, of course
Okay.
you can because
Thank
it's depend on
you.
your favorite.
It's so it looks so delicious.
Yes.
Done.
Alright, for the last step, we will put a slice of bread on top of our sandwich. Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay, our first menu is done for classic sandwich. Alright, next we will move to our second menu, which is modern
Okay.
sandwich. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
How many piece bread that we need?
Okay, for this type of sandwich, we will use 3 slices of bread.
Alright.
Okay, 3 slice.
Okay, let me introduce first the ingredient that we will need, which is first the 3 slices of bread, and then we need an egg, a boiled egg,
One
and
boiled
then
egg. Okay.
the tuna. Okay, a tin of tuna. Tuna.
Tuna this one.
Alright.
Tuna.
Alright, and then lastly we need a salad for the vegetable. Okay, now we will get started. Okay, first, like previous, we will need to cut the side of a bread. We will move to the next step.
Yes.
We just only use one egg.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, first, we take a salad to put it on top of a bread.
Okay. Take one salad.
Alright. Alright.
Okay. Take only one salad. Done.
Okay.
Okay, put it nicely on a bread. Then we put a tuna on a salad, so like we open it. Be careful when you open this. Okay, this is tuna. We spoon it and put it on a bread.
On top of salad, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
true, on top of salad. Okay, we put it nicely and arrange it. It also depends on you to put it as much as you want.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay, done.
Done.
Okay, done for
Done.
tuna. Alright, then take another 1 slice of a bread and put it on top of tuna.
Alright.
Okay, done.
Done.
Right, let's move on. Okay, take a boil of her egg and we smash it. We will use a spoon to smash it.
Okay.
Then take a mayonnaise to pour it on an egg and we will mix it so it will become delicious more. Okay. Alright. Take a bread again, take a sandwich again, and put the egg that we mix with mayonnaise on top of a bread.
Can I also put a salad?
Yes, you can.
Based
It's
on my...
you want to put a salad for above and below,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
Wow, it smells good.
Yeah. It makes me so hungry.
You can put any as much as you want.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay, then put one slice of a bread and put it on top of a sandwich.
Wow.
Wow,
It's
it looks
done.
good.
It's so yummy.
We finish with our second type of sandwich.
Good.
Okay.
Wow. I can't
Next,
wait
let's move on to the third type of sandwich, which is by Miss Azah.
Okay, guys. Let me continue to do this Western sandwich.
Okay.
Alright.
All you need bread. You can use any kind of bread, but mine is wholemeal.
How many pieces?
3 pieces. 3.
3 pieces. Okay.
Okay, 3 pieces.
Alright. So it is optional for you to cut the sides or you don't want to cut.
Okay.
Okay.
The next ingredient is this chicken slice.
Chicken slice.
Okay. Third is cheese.
Okay, cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese slice.
Okay.
Alright. Then mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Chicken slice, mayonnaise, this one.
Okay. Then also salad or any veggies you want to put.
Okay, this one.
Okay, I want to put cucumber. Is okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay, first bread, you put your chicken slice on the top.
Chicken slice.
On the top of the
Okay,
alright.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Are you done?
Done.
Yes.
Then you take these veggies you want to put on the top of the
Salad.
okay, salad or
Yes.
cucumber.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
And then mayonnaise.
Okay,
Mayonnaise.
Just a little bit on the salad. Put on the Okay, like this. See my.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you take the bread, put in on the top of the
Okay, like this.
sandwich. Oh, okay. Good job, Nisha.
Okay.
You take one slice. This slice.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for asking. Is it okay for
Yes.
the chicken slice? I will eat before I will boil it.
Oh yeah. Sure. Sure. Okay. And then take another chicken slice.
Oh,
It
can
has
I
all
use to
protein.
chicken slice?
Ah, yes. Okay. With yourself. And put
Okay.
another salad on the top.
I also want another salad. Can I
Can I
also
put
put
tomato?
Ah, yes.
this one?
Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato,
Okay.
a cucumber, any veggies,
Okay. Any veggies?
and another bread, the last bread on the top. Then you are done with the Western sandwich.
All right.
Wow.
Alright. Wow.
Wow.
It looks so yummy.
Today.
It's so big.
Yes.
Oh my
Quite.
god. Look. It's so yummy.
So we are done for our training sandwich for today.
Okay, now we
Yay.
can enjoy our
So
sandwich.
can we eat?
Yes, you can
Can
enjoy
we
your.
eat it now?
Yes.
So
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.
thank you.
So the challenge when the mock training is we have an issue on communicated with each other. As a group discussion is very important because we should work in team and fair with each other so that everyone has tasks that need to do in order to submit in time. When doing the mock training, some of us have internet problem connection, so when doing it, some of us will respond late. What at that time, the other member is not free to reply back. So that's all for me. Thank you.
So next is me. Okay, my challenge is time management. Good time management enables you to work smarter. But in our mock training, we are having a hard time making the sandwiches at a specific time. All of us need to be more efficient and faster when doing the sandwich. Other than that, we all need to be more professional and effective when using time. I think that's all from us. Thank you.